I cannot imagine living in the Pacific Northwest without Nikwax waterproofing spray. This stuff is amazing and so necessary. When we get rain, it rains for so long and so hard that I really do need to make sure that all of my waterproof items and water-resistant items are as waterproof as possible. So let me show you how this works. Now, the first thing you want to do is shake it really well. Once it's well shook, I'm going to turn it on by twisting the nozzle, and then I'll spray evenly onto the clean wet item and then just let it dry. Now, what I'm spraying today are my favorite winter boots. They are water resistant, but I want these to be more waterproof, and this is their second year, so they've already lost a lot of that water resistance. So we're just going to spray these down, and I'm spraying over my old raincoat that I have put Nikwax on so many times. Let's do this. It really doesn't have any odor. Now I'll let these sit for a little while, then I'll wipe off any excess, and then they'll be waterproof, meaning I can stay warm and cozy in them and dry. Exactly what I want from these. And another really cool thing about Nikwax is even though I got it unevenly on my coat here, I can just kind of wipe that in, and that'll also just dry, and it'll make that section of the coat a little more waterproof. Now, the best thing to do, of course, is to spray down the whole coat, so let me do that. And that's it. Really easy to use, works wonderfully, doesn't smell like much. If anything, I would say the smell is kind of close to like Elmer's glue. Super mild. I feel comfortable using this on all of my clothing materials for myself and my children. And in 4 minutes, I'll wipe this down and then just let it dry out. I really, really love Nikwax, and I will continue to use it for years, and I definitely recommend it if you're looking for a way to waterproof something in your home.